Wild nature. The grizzly bear is not the only ferocious predator that calls Alaska home. Such a harsh environment is also home to the little silver crocodile, the only member of the reptile family who lives in a non-tropical climate. The little silver crocodiles live in igloos that they themselves build and decorate with their own teeth and claws. Due to their strength and endurance, many of these reptiles are used as sleigh dogs. Others, with worse luck, are captured and used as solar panels. The dark, sunless winter days in the northern hemisphere don't pose any trouble for these glow-in-the-dark crocodiles. However, rain is the biggest climate-related problem that they face because they also function as lightning rods. In the springtime, the little silver crocodiles are smart disguisers that can blend perfectly with their surroundings, changing their colors as needed. And that's when the little silver crocodile's identity crisis begins, with his skin sporting so many colors that don't even match his own name, and with his igloo completely melted, the little silver crocodile spends the spring and summer hitchhiking through Alaska. Wild nature.